Open the actual API documentation and start at authentication. AREST workflow is only useful after the caller understands where keys live and which header forms are accepted. Move to the common endpoints. These are the app operations a script normally chains: list or create projects, import papers, screen, extract, analyze, and generate a report. Before automating a batch, check rate limits and error shapes. A good integration logs request IDs, treats 401 and 402 differently, and retries only when the docs say retry is safe. End back on the endpoint table and confirm the contract URL. Use /API/v1/openapi.json for client generation, but keep this tutorial on the readable docs surface.